Hi, and welcome back to Michelle Creations. If you watched several episodes ago, we made some Valentine pinkish colored pendants, and then we cut them in half and did a two-sided pendant. And we are going to do the exact same thing today, except we are going to use this incredible looking, it's laser green glitter from Leobro, maybe? I'm not sure how that's said. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up a couple of these pendants. I probably have way more here than I need. And you're going to fill them about 3/4 of the way full. And then we are going to come back. Let's do that one. And let's do that one. And then we're going to come back and we're going to cut these in half, and I'll show you what I mean. And then we're going to pour a second half, and it's going to look a lot different this one. So it's going to give us a really cool pattern. I'll put a picture here so you can see the pink ones that we did. They turn out so neat. Now, I have done this a lot with pendants. I have not done this with, I don't even know what you'd call these. Charms or these little hearts. Because these aren't like straight sides. This is a beveled back. So we're going to have to be super careful. Let's try some of the smaller ones too. Maybe sizes make a difference. We're going to find out. We have extras, so we are going to see what happens. All right, I'm just going to pour the rest of these into these molds. And then we will be back once these are, they're going to still be soft. They're not going to be 100% cured, but they're going to be probably 3/4. And I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. I'm worried that I've let these sit too long. Look how pretty that is. So what I want to do, oh, nope, perfect. I cut the first one so that it was perfect. Or I cut this one so it's perfect. I cut the first one so that it's not perfect. And we just lay the other half in the mold. And this one's going to be a little funky. I was dumb. I should have took them all out first. Now I'm going to knock those loose. And then when I unmold these, I'm going to cut, because they've got the little nub right there that you can put a key ring or whatever through. And I want to cut right through that nub. Otherwise, you're going to have to try and line up that hole perfectly with this, and you're never going to make it. It's just never, you're never going to get that back in the hole. So don't even bother trying. So I'll just stick that half of the nub in there where it belongs like that. And I'm going to put you on a fast forward, and I'm going to do up the rest of these. And just make sure you push them down really well so that you got a good connection with the silicone.
At the end of the hallway, there's a little room of light. Glitter, mica powder, resin sparkling so bright. Every pore's a story, every piece a friend. Welcome to our craft room, where the fun never ends. Michelle Creations, come and see. Craft and laugh, make memories. From my hands to yours with the love. We're crafting a life we're dreaming of.
Now we are going to fill up the other half with UV resin. We're not going to fill it, but we're going to put, we may put about as deep as what our green layer is. Put about that much in it. And then we're going to put little green hearts in it. Put a yellow one in that one. A heart and a heart, that ought to be cute. I have a ton of these little shamrocks, and I'm just going to cut that little top off of it. And this is just some nail glitter, and this is from Moravin. I don't know how to say that. And it's got little shamrocks in there, so we're going to grab those. Well, these are flowers. These aren't shamrocks. That's okay. They're green. And you can't go wrong with gold and shamrocks, so I've got some little gold round circles. We're going to use those as well.
Colors swirl together, shining from the start. Each project made with patience and a whole lot of heart. So grab your seat and join me.
And I'm just going to go through and I'm going to do the rest of these up.
Crafting side by side, it's glitter for the soul. Myself creations, come and see. Craft and laugh, make memories from my hand.
Okay, I'm going to get a light on these and cure them up. And we'll be back to put a top layer on. Now we'll put a top layer on. Let these dome nicely, and then you don't have to turn them nearly as much. And we're going to cure them again. Alright, that does it. That is all of them done. They turned out so cute. I really, really enjoyed doing these half and half pendants. They always turn out so stinking cute. I had some Dollar Tree clovers that we added to our latest batch, and that's like in this one here and this one. Those turned out super cute too. It was just a bunch of these clovers, flat back. And like I said, I got them at Dollar Tree last year. So otherwise, the rest of that you guys saw. And they turned out so cute. I'm super impressed. So thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. I read through all of those and I answer all of those. And I guess until next time, we'll see you then. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.